So it seems like more and more people are trading the stock market every day, and you are thinking about being one of those people making tons of money. The thing is that it can get confusing because it's like, how do you really work with the stock market? Is it gonna make us money or is it gonna lose us money? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna break everything down for you so you can know exactly what the stock market does and how it brings you income. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Jay at Truth Leaders. Welcome back to the channel, helping you build your leadership influence in business and in life. And in today's video, it's 2-Minute Tuesday. So we're gonna break everything down about the stock market, how it works, and how it's gonna bring you money in just 2 minutes. Well, we're gonna certainly try. Let's put up the clock and let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do to get started is we're gonna go and get to the drawing board. All right, let's go. Now, the thing is that a lot of people think the stock market is like this big machine or factory that's pumping out a lot of money.
And the truth is, it's more like, well, a market filled with a bunch of companies, many of them you already know. And when you walk into the marketplace, like most marketplaces, they're here to sell. Now, what are they selling? They're selling a small piece of their company so they can use that money to grow even bigger with advertisements, more factories, more people, and many other things. Now, you may be wondering, well, don't companies make enough money to do that? They sure do. Last year, Apple's revenue was $260 billion, and while that's a lot of money, it costs a lot of money to grow. And in that same year, Apple's stock value was $1.29 trillion in the stock market. And that money was given by people like you who bought their stocks. Now, the next question is, what do you get out of this exchange? Well, there are two big ways that you make money from the stock market: stocks and dividends. Let's start with the most popular and most exciting part of the stock market: making money from the stock price increases. When you purchase a stock, that stock will either go up in price or down. If its value goes up after you purchased it, your stock is worth more, and when you sell it, you make that extra money. Dividends, on the other hand, are completely different. Since the company is growing and makes more money because of you being one of their investors, they'll give you a part of their profits. Wow, now that's exciting. You make money from these really popular companies that make a lot of money. How much money? That's based on how much of their stocks you own and the company itself. In general, the more stocks you own, the more dividends. If you'd like to learn more about how dividend payments work, click or tap here or on the link in the description below. The most important question that we're going to answer is, why do some people make a lot of money and others, well, don't? Let's get back to the marketplace. Each company has a certain amount of stocks available for sale in the market. As the company becomes more successful, more people see the potential of the business and buys more stock. This increases the demand and, as a result, raises the stock's value that people own. The sooner you can predict that a company is going to become more successful, you can buy the stock at a lower value before its prices increase, and that's when you start really making a lot more money. Now, if you'd like to learn more about ways to increase your stock returns and choose the right stocks, watch our video on the top 5 best stock market advice from Warren Buffett, the most successful stock investor of the 21st century, who's amassed more than $79 billion of wealth, all from, and you guessed it, right from the stock market.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you found value in that video, go ahead and click or tap on the like button. Thank you so much, and hit me up in the comment section below and let me know what would you like to learn more about on the next 2-Minute Tuesday video. And be sure to subscribe to Truth Leaders for another video just like that one, a step-by-step guide to building your leadership influence in business and in life. If you'd like to learn more about investing, go ahead and click or tap right here, or click or tap right here for another money-making video. And until next time, I'll see ya in the next video.